Zanzibar Red Metallic. What an amazing color, right? It was an absolute pleasure to be in the presence of that finish for multiple days and really show it some love. So the two main services that we focused on that Porsche was paint correction and paint protection film. So we did a two-step polish, which removes medium imperfections along with swirling and drastically enhancing the gloss and clarity and depth of that pearl finish. And then to top it off for protection, we did a custom PPF install. We did the full front end and the rocker panel. So we tucked as many edges as possible. We tried to make it as seamless as possible. Just give the client an absolute amazing outcome. The client actually wants to drive this car and enjoy it. He plans to even take it to the mountains. So that PPF is going to give him peace of mind knowing that he can drive those mountain roads and really enjoy it, knowing he's got some protection from rock chips and road debris. If you're looking to beautify and protect your Porsche, reach out. www.carolinasfinestdetailing.com. Call or shoot me a text. 337-319-2889. Thanks for watching.